Yesterday, I got a text message from my cousin about a friend of ours that is dealing with ALS. And it was really upsetting because he is having a hard time getting his insurance to pay for critical care. And so my cousin was saying, like, we should do something about this. And so I spun up this project, and I'm calling it appeal mailer right now. But basically, the idea is to help automate the process of appealing via actually sending letters to your insurance company and then tracking some of that stuff. Because sometimes it's just the paperwork is too difficult to get started and you're focused on more important things at that time. So I wanted to show what I spun up, and this is just the mock-up. I have found that doing the mock-ups first actually helps with a lot of thinking through the product, and then you're not really changing code that much. And I have a specific skill that I created called UX mockup that creates this really nice way of showing all the screens. You can see that right here it has my sign-in screens, it has the main screen where you're uploading documents, it's showing all the different appeals, and all of this is of course just front-end visuals, but after each one it has a feedback text message or text box where I can put in information that I'm happy with this, I'm not happy with this, and it helps me think through not only what do I want to change, but how is the whole flow for the user actually coming together. And I just use Whisperflow to speak my thoughts into the feedback. And then when I copy all feedback, it just gives me a text blob, in this case it's in JSON, and I drop that back into my terminal where I'm doing my coding. And the AI model will take it from there. But really cool way to actually get started is to just do visuals first. And I think that this is a great example of being able to really think through the product before you actually put any code down. And what you're not seeing here is that I spent all of yesterday creating the product requirements doc, the PRD, in order to get to this point. And then once I'd answered all these questions, I said, hey, I want to do the front end first, use the UX mockup skill. So I will put a link to the UX mockup skill below, and you can try it yourself.